Welcome to Star Biker. Today, we are taking a quick and clear look at the 2026 Honda Unicorn 150, a motorcycle known for reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 keeps its clean and mature design while adding subtle modern touches. The muscular fuel tank, refined body lines, and updated graphics give it a premium commuter look that appeals to daily riders. Engine and performance. Powered by a smooth 150 cubic centimeters engine, the Unicorn 150 delivers balanced performance for city rides and short highway runs. The engine is tuned for refinement, offering steady power, low vibration, and excellent fuel efficiency. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort remains a strong point of the 2026 Unicorn 150. The upright riding posture, well-cushioned seat, and stable suspension setup make long daily commutes easy and fatigue-free, even on rough roads. Features and safety. The bike comes with practical features focused on everyday use. Improved braking confidence, refined handling, and reliable build quality make the Unicorn 150 a safe and dependable choice for regular riding. Mileage and practicality. Honda continues to focus on fuel efficiency, making the 2026 Unicorn 150 a cost-effective option. Low maintenance requirements and strong resale value add to its practicality. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 is ideal for riders who want a comfortable, reliable, and efficient commuter motorcycle. It may not be flashy, but it delivers where it matters most, making it a solid choice in the 150 cubic centimeters segment.